The first time a casino hands you a loyalty card, it feels like a win. You haven't even sat down yet and you're already being rewarded. Free points, future comps, special offers, maybe even a buffet. It feels friendly, welcoming, almost generous. But that raises the real question. How loyal are loyalty programs really? To understand casino loyalty programs, you have to understand their original purpose. They weren't created to give players free stuff. They were created to measure behavior. Before player cards, casinos knew very little about who was playing, how long they stayed, or how much they actually wagered. Once loyalty programs appeared, everything changed. Every spin, every hand, every minute at the table became data. Casinos could now track theoretical loss, what the casino expects to earn from you over time, not just what you won or lost that day. This is the foundation of loyalty programs. You aren't rewarded for winning or losing. You're rewarded for action. The more you bet, the more time you spend playing, the more valuable you become to the system. This is where many players get confused. They believe comps are based on actual losses. In reality, comps are based on expected losses. You can walk out ahead and still receive offers. You can lose big and receive nothing if your play didn't fit the profile. Casinos don't see you as lucky or unlucky. They see you as a long-term equation. Early loyalty programs were simple: punch cards, basic tracking, free meals. But as technology advanced, so did the sophistication. Modern loyalty programs are deeply integrated with surveillance, marketing, and predictive analytics. Today, your loyalty card doesn't just track play, it influences it. Offers are timed, rewards are delayed. Free play arrives just often enough to pull you back. And this is where loyalty becomes complicated. Casinos aren't loyal to players, they're loyal to expected value. If the math says you're profitable over time, the system encourages you. If it doesn't, the offers dry up. This is why two players can gamble side by side and receive wildly different treatment. One gets free rooms and meals, the other gets silence. It's not personal, it's statistical. Quick pause for a second. If you're finding this helpful so far, consider subscribing. This channel is all about understanding the games, the math behind them, and how casinos really work, so you can make smarter decisions at the table. And don't go anywhere yet. What's coming up next is one of the most important parts of this video, and it ties everything we've talked about together. Loyalty programs are designed to create a sense of reciprocity. You feel like the casino has invested in you. And psychologically, people don't like breaking relationships, even ones built on math. That free buffet isn't free. It's prepaid with future wagering. From a player education standpoint, this is crucial to understand. Loyalty points don't reduce the house edge in a meaningful way. They soften losses, but they don't reverse odds. Many players fall into the trap of playing for comps. They extend sessions, raise bet sizes, or switch to higher edge games just to earn rewards faster. This is exactly what the program is designed to encourage. The casino isn't hoping you win enough to enjoy the comp. They're hoping you play long enough to justify it. Another overlooked aspect of loyalty programs is tier systems. Bronze, silver, gold, platinum. Each level feels like progress, but tier systems reset for a reason. Casinos know players will chase status. End-of-year tier chases are some of the most profitable periods for casinos. Players bet more, play longer, and rationalize losses as investments in next year's perks. From the casino's perspective, this is ideal behavior. What many players don't realize is that loyalty programs are not fixed contracts. Casinos can change earning rates, redemption values, and benefits at any time. Your points aren't a promise, they're a policy. This is why loyalty programs often feel generous at first and slowly become less rewarding. Devaluation is built into the system. Casinos also use loyalty data to shape offers based on emotional triggers. loss streaks, time away, big wins. Everything feeds the algorithm. If you've ever received a free play offer right after a losing trip, that wasn't kindness, it was timing. But loyalty programs aren't inherently bad. They're tools, and like any tool, value depends on how you use them.
Educated players treat comps as rebates, not goals. They never change betting behavior to chase rewards. They play their game at their pace with their bankroll plan and accept whatever the system gives back. The moment a loyalty program influences how you gamble, it has done its job. Some of the smartest players limit card usage altogether. Others use it selectively, understanding how tracking affects offers. There is no universal best approach, only informed ones. Casinos are loyal to data, not people, but players can be loyal to their own rules. Understanding loyalty programs doesn't mean rejecting them. It means stripping away the illusion. The rewards aren't gifts, they're incentives. Once you see loyalty programs for what they are, they lose their power to manipulate behavior. And that awareness alone can save a bankroll. Because the most valuable reward in any casino isn't a free room or a meal, it's leaving with control.
And that wraps up today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out and tells YouTube this is content worth sharing. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another strategy breakdown, game walkthrough, or insider tip. We've got tons of guides coming your way, and you'll want to be here when they drop.
And hey, tell me in the comments what you want to see next. Whether it's roulette strategies, blackjack tips, slot myths, virtual casino breakdowns, whatever you're curious about, let me know. Your ideas shape what we create.
Before you go, if you're serious about leveling up your casino knowledge, you have to check out the Ultimate Casino Guide. I put everything I've learned into one massive, easy-to-read resource designed to make you a smarter, more confident, more prepared player. If you've ever wondered which games actually give you the best odds, how do pros manage their bankroll so they don't blow it all in an hour, what tricks casinos use, both physical and digital, to influence your decisions, how to avoid the biggest money traps beginners fall into, then the Ultimate Casino Guide will change the way you play forever. It covers psychology, probability, strategy charts, real-world case studies, VR and online casino risks, loyalty program hacks, literally everything you need to walk into any casino and know exactly what you're doing. The link is right here on the end card. Click it and start transforming the way you play. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, play smart, and I'll see you in the next video.